watching 7 Action News. Always taking action for you.
Tonight, the case against 4 men accused of killing a popular local party store owner is moving forward.
7 Action News reporter Dave Llewellyn is live in Clinton Township where the suspects faced a judge. Dave, what was the mood inside the courtroom?
Heather, as you would expect, a lot of emotion from relatives when surveillance video of the murder of Basil Salaka was shown in the courtroom here in Clinton Township. The 4 men facing charges including felony murder. The in-store video shows 3 of the suspects enter the store. The 4th man was parked a block away in the getaway car. Clinton Grayson, Darius Diaz-Gaskin, Jomar Robinson, and Kenneth Hill are all in their 20s, all 4 from Metro Detroit. They were in the packed courtroom filled with their supporters as well as relatives of the popular store owner. Clinton Township Police Detective Brian Gilbert, the officer in charge, testified how he'll describe selecting the store as the target of the robbery.
There was no innocent bystanders. There wasn't many cars in the lot, so that was the reason.
The suspects were in the store for 1 minute 44 seconds. Salaka was in the office when they first entered, and the video shows him being confronted with a weapon in hand. He was shot in the back. Police found him dead behind the counter. Police identified Diaz-Gaskin as the shooter. His attorney says his client had no intention of killing Salaka.
He didn't think he had his finger on the trigger. He thought he had the safety on. And for those reasons, the requisite intent, even in a felony murder situation, which is different than a premeditated first-degree case, I don't believe can be shown.
Attorneys also argue that some of the men were not provided access to counsel as requested during interrogation. Robinson's attorney says his client, identified by police as the bagman for the robbery, didn't have a gun and shouldn't face the most serious charge of felony murder.
He had no intention of ever being part of a plan where a firearm was going to be displayed or used or discharged in any way.
Salaka's relatives had no comment as they left the court this afternoon. The case now moves to circuit court for trial. The 4 suspects will be back before a judge on July 21st. For now, we are live in Clinton Township. Dave Llewellyn, 7 Action News.